Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Raj Cloud Technologies. So before starting the session, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Training. In this, we have many Snowflake, Python, AWS, Tableau, Informatica Cloud, SQL, everything, all the useful videos are available. So please like and comment. Also, this is our website, rajinformatica.com. Okay. So we are starting different courses like Snowflake, Python, AWS, DevOps, Tableau, etc. Okay, so please browse our channel. Now, today is our DevOps. Today is our DevOps Demo 2 free session. So, as you know, Raj Cloud Technologies is from almost 3 years. Okay, so we are trying to give the best to the students. That is why I am hiring best trainers who is having very good real-time experience. Okay, one of them are Aravind. So Aravind is having 9+ experience. He is working in a reputed IT software company in Hyderabad. Okay, so he has already given many trainings till now. So I have seen their trainings, and he has joined to our company. Okay, so he is the one who will take AWS and DevOps. Arvind, over to you. You can start, Arvind.
Thanks, Raj.
You can share your screen also, Arvind.
Yeah, sure. Am I audible?
Yes, Arvind. Yes, you are.
Thank you. Myself, Aravind, as Raj said, I have total 9+ years of experience. So today we are discussing about what is Amazon Web Services and what is the importance of cloud computing. Just focus on these things. Coming to course introduction. This course is completely about AWS, Amazon Web Services, and DevOps. It's a purely online session. We don't offer any classroom trainings for this course. Completely online classes. After learning this course, like what kind of roles you are suitable for? Means cloud architect, AWS developer. You can apply for AWS cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure administrator. For these kind of roles, you can apply for these roles. In this course, I'm explaining you about 20+ AWS services and concepts with 10+ DevOps tools. It includes 5 real-time projects in both AWS as well as DevOps. Not at end of the course. Like once I start the course, in between, like after 10 days, one project will be there. After 15 days, like one more, like in middle and at end of the course. Overall, it will be 5 projects. And at end, I'll help you in resume preparation, like how to prepare your resume, what roles and responsibilities you need to add, what are your daily activities in AWS as well as DevOps in your project. These points I'll share with you. You can prepare resume. And mock interviews also conducted for people who are interested. Daily assignments. I'll give you daily one assignment, like based on the topic what we are discussing today. Like based on the topic, I'll give you assignment. You need to do that assignment or task and come to the next class. Because in my course, these are mandatory. Assignments are mandatory. Without doing tasks, assignments, you cannot crack interviews. That is for sure. Next, soft copy will be provided for each and every topic. Whatever I'm explaining, we will share you soft copy like PDF materials with you. And after each session, you can go through the recorded video of the class for your reference while practicing. And these video classes recording videos are available for you lifetime. The duration of course is 45 working days. Like classes will be from Monday to Friday. Daily 1.5 hour session will be morning 8 to 9:30 a.m. Saturday and Sunday, we don't have class. It will be like holiday. After this course, after 45 days of course, if you practice daily, and you are eligible for keeping 3+ years of experience in your resume. Means you can show that you are working in a company you have 3+ years of experience in AWS and DevOps. That much of knowledge you can gain in these 45 days. A person who is working in AWS and DevOps in real-time project for 3 years, that amount of knowledge you will gain in these 45 days, only if you practice. Next, prerequisites to learn AWS. Okay, fine. I want to learn AWS. But what else is required before learning AWS? You should be having basic computer knowledge. If you have basic computer knowledge, that is sufficient. Along with that, you need to have basic Linux commands. You should be aware of basic Linux commands. Means how to copy something, how to create files, how to create directories using Linux operating system in Linux commands. If you know, that is sufficient. And prerequisites to learn DevOps. To learn DevOps, the prerequisites are you should have knowledge on any of the cloud platform like AWS Cloud or GCP Cloud or Azure Cloud. Along with that, you should be aware of Linux commands. Other than this, you no need to learn anything. Like you should not required to learn C++, Java, Python. These programming languages are not required, not mandatory. Directly, anybody can learn AWS and DevOps. Okay. Now, let's come to our topic. So before understanding what is Amazon Web Services, first, let's understand few concepts. I'll tell you one scenario. I want to start one IT organization. I want to start a software company, startup. For that, I need at least 100 physical servers. I need at least 100 servers. But what is meant by a server? We frequently listen the terminology server every time. But what actually is server? A server is also kind of a computer. Server is also kind of a laptop. But the difference is for your laptop or computer, the configurations are very less. Like maximum 16 GB RAM for your computer, maximum 1 TB storage hard disk, like i7 processor, Windows operating system, these things you install. The price of a computer or laptop is around 50,000 to 70,000. Whereas a server will have high configuration and it looks like this object. The configuration of a server, like starting from 2 GB RAM. So let's say for a server, RAM size will be minimum 2 GB to maximum 1584 GB you can take. Storage, minimum 8 GB storage to maximum 30, maximum like 1024 terabytes you can take. So this is RAM, storage, and CPUs. How many CPUs you can take? Means minimum one CPU to virtual CPU, minimum one CPU to you can take up to 1354 CPUs. And you can install any kind of operating system, like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, any operating system you can install. So the maximum configuration for a server is this much: 1584 GB RAM, 1024 TB storage, 1354 CPUs. But whereas in your laptop, can you take a RAM up to 1584 GB? Means absolutely no, you cannot get. But for a server, you can take. That's why the price of a server is like on an average, it will be 5 lakh rupees for each server. How many servers do I need? Means I need at least 100 servers to run software company. So 100 servers into 5 lakh, 5 crore rupees. I have to invest 5 crore to set up this data center in my office. So these are all servers. See, all these are physical servers. To set up this infrastructure in my company, I need at least 5 crore only for purchasing the servers. What is a physical server? A physical server is a high configured machine with a hard disk, CPU, motherboard, and network connection to run applications, same as a laptop or computer, but it will have high configuration. That's the only difference. So not only physical server, I need to install operating system also in all these servers. Normally, in our laptops, computers, we install Windows 7 operating system, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. But in a server, you cannot install Windows 7, 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Here, there is a separate version designed from Microsoft company to install in servers. They are Windows 2012, Windows 2016, Windows 2019 version, Windows 2020 version, Windows 2022, Windows 2023. These versions are specially designed for installing them in server. And the genuine license to purchase these versions is around 30,000 to 40,000 each license. How many license I need? I need 100 license, means 100 into 30,000, 30 lakh rupees. At this stage also, I have to spend 30 lakh rupees for installing operating system. And it's not done yet. Again, you have to install softwares in all these servers. Some softwares we might install for free and some softwares we need to purchase. And maintenance related activities. You see, this setup will be there in my office, right? A dedicated room with infrastructure, like complete server setup. Maintenance means, see, since these servers will run continuously 24/7, lots of heat will be generated. In order to reduce heat, you need to set up AC in that server room. You need to have internet connection for all these servers. And end of the day, like lots of electricity bills will be generated. I am going to pay it because that is my company. I am taking care of it. I have to pay the electricity bills, like monthly 5 lakh, 10 lakh electricity bills will be generated. And time, it takes at least 1 week time to set up this infrastructure, to set up this complete infrastructure. It takes 1 week time, because if you order the servers today, 100 servers, that will be delivered after 2-3 days. Once they are delivered to your company, you need to set up this infrastructure. You need to install OS, install softwares, internet connectivity, like cables, networks, everything. It takes around 1 week. And the most important is money. You need to invest some crores of rupees to set up this kind of infrastructure. And this infrastructure setup we call as physical data center. Why? Because all these physical servers are located in my company, where I can see them physically, where I can touch them physically, I can access them. They're physically present in my office. And you can call it as on-premises server also. Why we call on-premises server? Because these servers are beside our premises, next to my cabin, next to my room somewhere. So that's why we call this setup as physical servers. But with this setup, we have few drawbacks. What are the main drawbacks? Means mainly investment. You need to invest some crores of rupees. That's not easy for everyone. Everybody will have dream to start IT companies, but nobody, like very few people can go with this setup, because everyone will not have some crores of rupees, right? So that is a huge drawback. And the other drawback is lots of time. It is taking lots of time to set up the infrastructure. So how can we address these issues which we are facing in physical data center? Yes, we can address these issues. How? Let's see. Amazon company, you know, right? Amazon company. This Amazon company, what they are doing, they're setting the infrastructure in different parts of the world. Like Amazon has set up their data center across the globe in different countries. Let's see. AWS Global Infrastructure. This one, you can see the global infrastructure here. See, Amazon global infrastructure. What is global? Global means across the globe, worldwide. Amazon company has set up their infrastructure in 33 regions. So this is the world map. In India, we have 2 data centers. One is in Hyderabad region, which is launched in 2022 with 3 availability zones. The other data center is in Mumbai. Similarly, Australia has 2 data centers. One is in Sydney, other one is in Melbourne. In South Africa, we have 1 data center. So like that, overall, we have 33 data centers. What is meant by data center actually? See, recently, Amazon company has set up the data center in Hyderabad region. Images. So this is called data center. In Hyderabad, in outskirts of Hyderabad, near to Shadnagar somewhere, Amazon company has set up the data center in 3,600 acres with a huge investment of 20,700 crores. Means it is a place where some millions of servers are there. So it looks like this. It is not a software company. This is not an IT company. This is a place. This is a area where some lakhs of servers are there. We call this building as data center. What Amazon company is telling, Arvind, you want to start an IT company, right? For that, you need to have 10 crores because you have to purchase servers, you have to maintain them, you have to take care of it. Why unnecessarily you want to waste money? We already have these data centers worldwide. In Hyderabad also we have data center. In Mumbai we have data center. See, in North Virginia we have data center. This is the first data center. It is launched in 2006. In Saudi Arabia, like Tel Aviv, Germany, coming soon, Zurich, Paris, London, Ireland, it is 2007. Like overall, in 33 places, we have set up the data centers. So you let us know what kind of infrastructure you need. Arvind is asking to Amazon company, I need 100 servers. Can you give me 100 servers? Then what AWS will do? Yes, Arvind, we will give you whatever you ask. So Amazon company, not only Amazon company, even Google company, even Microsoft company, they are having data centers across the globe. So Amazon having data centers across the globe. Google also having data centers across the globe. Microsoft also having data centers across the globe in different parts of the world. So what they're doing, they are providing services for us. What is my requirement? I'm asking to Amazon CEO, can you give me 100 servers? Then immediately they will give me 100 servers. But how means through a platform called AWS. Through this AWS platform, virtually, they will provide the infrastructure for me. If I ask 100 GB storage, they will give me 100 GB storage. If I ask 50 GB RAM for my server, they will give me 50 GB RAM. If I ask some elastic IP, they will give me elastic IP. Means whatever infrastructure you request them, that infrastructure they will give you through a platform called Amazon Web Services virtually. So Amazon is a company which provides cloud services through a platform called Amazon Web Services. After end of the month, what Amazon CEO is saying, Arvind, till now we have given you 100 servers, we have given you 50 GB storage, we have given you 50 CPUs. So for that, the bill is $500. So you need to pay $500 per this month. So because in this month you use this much infrastructure from us, pay $500. I'll pay $500. Next month, I need to only 2 servers because the requirement is not there. Most of the requirement is not there. I'm asking only 2 servers. I'm using only 2 servers for that whole month. End of that second month, Amazon is sending me the bills, sending me invoices. Arvind, your usage is only 2 servers. So kindly pay $20. I'll pay $20. And so whatever the infrastructure you are using, accordingly, they will generate the bills and you need to pay those bills. Similarly, Google company also providing cloud services through a platform called GCP. Microsoft company also providing cloud services through a platform called Azure. Okay. So you no need to set up data center in your company. If you want to start an IT company from now onwards, you no need to buy servers. You no need to keep a dedicated server room. You no need to maintain them. Why? Because already some big companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, they having data centers in different parts of the world. Whatever infrastructure you need, you just ask them through a platform called AWS, GCP, or Azure. They will provide you services. Let me give you one one simple scenario, simple example. There are two persons, Ram, Hari. These two persons going to office because the office management asked them to visit office weekly 3 days. So Ram has to go to office from next week, weekly 3 days. He is planning to buy a car because he has to go to office, right? Ram is planning to buy a car worth 10 lakh rupees. So he bought a car, he invested 10 lakh. He is going to office daily in the car. And person Hari, he's somewhat intelligent. He don't want to waste 10 lakh rupees to buy car. Instead, what he is doing, Hari is looking for some services. He is looking for some services who can take him to office by car. Then he found something in market, some applications like Ola, Uber, these big companies. Ola company provide cab services all over India. Uber company provide cab services all over world. So he want to take service from Ola company. So what he is doing, he is requesting some service through an application called Ola mobile application. So in his mobile, he installed one app, Ola app. From that application, he is booking a cab from like uh, Kukatpalli to Gachibowli. He booked cab service. Within 5 minutes, cab has reached to his place to pick up him. Within 5 minutes, the cab came to his location and started going to office. While going to office, suddenly fuel is completed. No petrol. Petrol is over. Then who has to fill the fuel? Whether Hari or Ola driver. Since he took the service from Ola cab, he is going to office in Ola cab. Ola driver has that responsibility to fill the fuel. Ola driver, what he did, he filled the fuel and going to office. While going to office, suddenly car tire is punctured. Who has to replace the tire? Ola driver has to replace the tire, and finally he will drop in his destination and he'll say, okay, the ride charges is around 500 rupees. Hari will pay 500 rupees and he'll go to office. That's it. From then onwards, there is no relation between this car and Hari because Hari just utilized the services of Ola. How much they charged, he paid that. He utilized services from Ola, he paid the money and he left. But it's not same with Ram. Ram has his own car. Ram is going to office in his own car if petrol is completed. If there is no petrol, who will fill the fuel? He has to fill the fuel because this car belongs to Ram. Ram is owner of that car. Ram has to fill the fuel. Again, while going to office, if tire is punctured, then he has to replace that tire. He has to change that tire and he should go office. Every year, take care of car service, Ram has to take care of car service. Like maintenance, like Ram is going to take care of maintenance activities for his own car. No, let's say from next week, Ram is not going to office. They has given work from home completely. He's not using the car. He kept in parking place. Still, he has to pay EMIs, right? Can he say like, I'm not going to office, I'm not using your car, I will not pay EMI? Means no. Bank people will take his car. That means even though he is utilizing the car, he's not utilizing, he already invested 10 lakhs, he already bought, he has to pay the money, whether he's using, he's not using, that car belongs to Ram, he has to pay the money. But in Hari case, it's not like that. If he have the requirement to go to office, then only he will book the cab. Once he reach office, he will pay the money. Again, he's going to office next month, then he will pay, like he will book the cab next month only, immediately, whenever he want to go to office, and he will pay the money. So this is like maintaining physical servers. Like you are buying physical servers, maintaining those servers, physical data centers in your company, and it is like utilizing services of AWS. Like if you want any infrastructure, you no need to buy infrastructure. You can utilize the services from Amazon company through a platform called AWS. Same like Hari. If you have any request, you no need to buy the car. You can utilize services of Ola through a platform called Ola mobile application. I hope it is clear. Let me explain you the definition of cloud computing now. What is cloud computing? Instead of buying the servers, instead of maintaining physical data centers in your organization, in your office, instead of buying them, instead of maintaining them, you can access same technology service base. Means whatever infrastructure you want, you need, you will get same infrastructure on an as needed basis. Means whenever you have the requirement, you will get the services from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, AWS platform. So whenever you have requirement, you can get same kind of services through a platform called AWS. You no need to buy servers. You no need to buy storage. You no need to set up them in your office. You no need to create databases. No need of any investment. You just ask Amazon company, whatever requirement you have, they will provide you through AWS platform. So cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources. Whenever you demand that I need 100 servers, immediately you demand them, they will deliver you all kind of IT resources like server, database, like elastic IPs, public IP, whatever you need, they will deliver over the internet. Means virtually they will deliver within like next minute. Within 1 minute, you can launch 100 servers. But in physical data center, if you want to set up 100 servers, it will take at least 1 week time. But here within 1 minute, you can launch 100 servers. So for that, you need to pay the money finally. Whatever they charge, you need to pay the bills. So this is called cloud computing. Okay. Now you can ask your questions if you have anything. Raj, you there?
Arvind, you are asking me?
Yeah. Can you give unmute option for students? Like,
Yeah,
if
sure.
they ask.
I'm giving. Yes, they can speak.
Arvind, what is databases? We know server storage, but what is databases?
Database is an infrastructure, a resource where you store the data. Like for example, you have Flipkart. You
Okay.
want to buy something in Flipkart. Without registering, can you buy? Like without creating your account in Flipkart, without doing sign up, can you order something?
No, we can't.
You cannot order. So what you do first, you will sign up. You give
Okay.
your details, first name, last name, everything. That details are stored where? In backend database.
Okay.
So whenever you log in, you will fetch that, like it will fetch the details from database, whether this person is already registered or not. Yes, he registered. Then it will log in. You can go to that Flipkart application. You can order something. Like many scenarios are there. Like I give you the same basic scenario.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Arvind, 1 second.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, so the course content you can go here. Okay, so I'm telling to everyone. So if you want the course content, okay, you can go to this website. Okay, I'm sending to everyone this link. 1 second, let me send the correct link. Yeah, I send the correct link. Okay, so this is a course. If you want to see more about the course, so the course fee is 20,000 AWS plus DevOps. It's almost 2 months, morning 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Okay, so it is morning 8:30 to 9:30 a.m.
It's
Okay,
8 o'clock, Raj. 8 to 9.
sorry, 8 o'clock. Yeah, sorry, 8 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. daily 1.5 hour. Okay, and it's 2 months weekdays. Okay, the fee is 20,000. Actually, in outside all the institutes, they're taking 30,000, 40,000 for just 30 hours course. but ours is almost almost it will be 50 plus hours. Okay, 60 plus hours it will be. Okay, so for sure you will get good knowledge about, good experience about this course. And after this course, you can do the certifications. That is AWS Certified Solution Architect and Certified SysOps Administrator. You can do certifications. And course completion certificate also will be given from Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay. And you can show more and you can download it. Okay. And as I said you, okay. So as I said you, the fee is 20,000. Okay. 2 months. Yes, please. And completely free, that means complete session recordings will be provided. Okay. All sessions recording will be provided. Okay. But we will recommend you to join the live session. Okay. Always join the live session from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay. And understand the live session. Practice on daily basis. It will be 95%. It will be all working sessions. Theory will be very less. Okay. So on day-to-day basis, it will be all working sessions. Okay. So that is about this course. Okay. So that's about it. So if you want to join, so please, these are our numbers to enroll. To enroll. Okay. Please WhatsApp us on 9880490148. So this is WhatsApp number and 8105296858. This is calling number. Okay. Also 911386154. This is also calling number and also WhatsApp. Okay, there is a problem with this number. Okay, so please WhatsApp to this number or any number you can call. Okay, or call to enroll the course. And the batch is starting from July 1st, Monday. Batch is starting from July 1st, Monday. Okay, so complete session recordings will be provided. Resume preparation, we will prepare the resume for you. Resume preparation. Interview questions will be given. Interview questions. And also mock interviews will be taken. Yes, please. 100% job assistance will be provided. How to apply, where to apply, all those things. And also we are contacting, okay, we are contacting to the consultancies or companies, okay, consultancies or companies to push our resumes faster. Okay, so wherever openings are there, okay, wherever openings are there, yes, 20,000 can be paid in EMIs. You please call to this number. Okay, so we will explain you how to pay through EMIs. Okay, so that we will guide you. What I am doing is within these 2 months, I am contacting all the companies who is having DevOps openings, and we are directly after the course completion. Whoever practiced nicely, whoever joined the live sessions nicely, whoever understand everything, whoever practiced on daily basis, we are sharing their resumes to the companies directly, so that your resume will get shortlisted easily, and you can take the interview directly. This is what we are doing from Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay. And now any experience needed? Yes, at least 3+ experience you need to try to join after this course. You need to try with 3+ experience. Okay. But again, for freshers, it will be less jobs, but we will always recommend you to try with 3+ experience and any degree. Okay. Any degree, non-IT people also can join. Non-IT people can also join. If you're already working in a BPO sector or a call center sector or a healthcare sector or any other sector, you can showcase the same experience that you worked in DevOps and AWS, and you can join to the and you can try. Okay. How to get the experience? We will help you. Okay. How to get the experience? We will help you. You can call to these numbers. Okay. This is about this one. Aravind, you want to add something?
No, that's good. Right.
Yeah. Now I am unmuting them again. You can ask the questions, please.
Yes. So far, like whatever we discussed, if you have any questions in them, you can ask.
Do you have any questions, please? You can ask, please.
Okay, fine.
One
If you-
second, Arvind. Yeah. So please provide your WhatsApp numbers. Okay. We will call you and we will help you. Yes, please.
Right.
Just a second, Arvind. Let me. Guys, how was the session? Did you understand the session, please? Everyone, can you speak? Somebody asking about cloud computing. Can you explain, Arvind? Arvind, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Somebody asking about explain about cloud computing. Please,
Yes.
can you? Yeah, I'll share. I'll stop the sharing. You please share your screen. Explain again.
Yeah. Okay. Who is that? Srija. Is that Srija?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Srija, cloud computing is very simple. Uh, see, for example, as I told here, if you need any kind of infrastructure, you want to deploy some applications. You have one company, you want to run some applications. For that, you need some infrastructure. Like your huge setup is required. Servers, database, physical server setup, infrastructure like RAM, storage, like many things are needed. You no need to buy anything. You no need to invest money. You no need to buy anything. Why? Because in market, some companies like Google company, Amazon company, Microsoft company, they are giving you these services. Whatever you need, you ask them. Asking means like through AWS account, through GCP account, through Azure account, you need to request them. They will give you the services. What services? Like servers, storage, databases. They will provide you services. You utilize those services, and at the end of the month, they will generate bills. How much you utilized, based on that, they will generate bills. You need to pay the bills. It's like a rental basis. You are not going to buy anything from them. You are taking the services like rental purpose. How much you need, that much rent you are paying and you are utilizing. That is called cloud computing, Sricha. Is it clear? Okay. Any others?
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Okay, we'll add you to the WhatsApp group. And also, if you want, you can contact us at these numbers. Okay. So this course, I'm surely AWS DevOps is having very good IT market. Okay, nowadays. Yeah. So everyone are learning AWS. Okay, because any cloud is required. Yes, please. So 10 plus years education also fine, not a problem. You please provide your numbers. Okay. So we will contact you and we will explain you and we will guide you what to do. If you want career guidance, okay, we will give you. Yes, please. AWS is a cloud. Okay. It is not a language or not a tool. It is a cloud. It is a website. I can say it's a website. Okay. So in the Google Chrome, you can access the AWS services. That is what it is not a tool. It is not a language. Okay. It is a cloud computing. AWS is a cloud. Like we have GCP, like we have Azure, AWS also works. Okay, it is from Amazon company. Okay, so everything from start to end, Aravind will explain you very nicely, clearly, okay, and slowly, okay, with a simple English, he will explain like he explained today. I really impressed with his training. That is why I opted him. Okay, and he will be my AWS permanent trainer. Okay, so you no need to think about it. What is the future growth? It will be forever. Okay, because everyone are you. If you ask me, AWS, GCP, and Azure, which is the most popular AWS. AWS is the most popular. Okay, every company is using AWS and DevOps. Okay, so you no need to worry about it. Yes, please. AWS is according to the Indian market or foreign market or whatever it's overseas or whatever it is, AWS is the top, than Azure, than GCP. Okay. Any other questions do you have, guys? Any other questions do you have? So please provide your WhatsApp numbers or phone numbers in the Google chat, whoever not given. Okay. So we will call you and we will help you with your career guidance. We will be there with you until you get a job. You no need to worry. Okay. We'll support you on all the cases. Fine, guys. So any other questions, please? No questions?
Raj, can I talk?
Yes. Sorry, yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, okay, we are not done yet. The demo session is not done yet. Let me continue. Let me finish the remaining topic and you can ask your questions, okay? Next one. So let's say I have my own company. In my company, there are 100 physical servers. These are all 100 physical servers. In all the servers, I'm deploying an application called Amazon.in. You're already familiar with this e-commerce website where you purchase goods, you purchase some electronics items, right? Through this e-commerce website. So this application is running backend in 100 servers, in 100 physical servers. A user from his system, he's accessing www.amazon.in and he's hitting enter button. Immediately that request will go to backend one of the servers. It will load the page, it will load that application and send response. Finally, the user can see this page. Because whenever he is typing www.amazon.in, that request is going to the servers in backend, it is loading the page and sending response to him. So this is what the response he is seeing. This is called one request. On an average, let's say Amazon website is receiving 1 request per day. Means this person is not only the person, right, who will access the website. In India, if there are 140 crore people, out of 140 crore people, at least 1 crore people will access this website daily. And these 1 crore requests are not only going for third server. 1 crore requests are distributing between all these 100 servers. Means 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here, 1 lakh here. Like all the requests are distributed among these 100 servers. Now, Amazon is planning for Great Indian Festival. Like tomorrow, that is June 29th, Amazon is planning for Great Indian Festival. They are giving flat 20% discount for HDFC credit card and SBI credit card. Only for one day, that is tomorrow. They have started promotions from last 1 month. Tomorrow is that day. Can we expect same 1 crore request tomorrow also? No. Obviously no. Why? Because tomorrow is flat 20% discount. People will show interest to buy the products, right? But how many requests you will receive, we don't know. That might be 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, we don't know. But definitely one thing is for sure, traffic will be more. Let's say night, 12 o'clock, sale is started, Great Indian Festival. Night 12 o'clock itself, around 2 crore people accessing the website. So midnight 12 o'clock only, around 2 crore people accessing the website. These 2 crore, like 2 lakhs here, 2 lakhs here, 2 lakhs here, like 100 into 2 lakhs, almost 2 crore. The requests are distributed like that. Now the CPU utilization on this server is around 32%. Here the CPU utilization is around 33%. Here it's around 27%. Here it's around 35%. CPU utilization means what? How much CPU is utilized? If the server is having more work, more burden, then CPU will be utilized more. See, in your laptop, you open multiple things. You open YouTube, you open Google Chrome, you open MS Word, you open PPTs, you open PDF, Notepad++. You open like different like photos. You are running some photos, viewing some photos. What happens if you open like 10, 20 applications at a time? Your system will become slow. Because backend multiple apps are running, all these applications will utilize some CPU. Your server will become slow. Your system will become slow. Here also, if multiple requests are coming, like CPU utilization will slightly it will be increased. Now, after 2 hours, like midnight 2 o'clock, around the traffic is increased to 5 crore. What happens? Servers are remaining same. Servers are 100 only, but traffic is decreasing. Like traffic is increasing. 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, like it came up to 5 crore. Now CPU utilization will increase for each server or it will be decreased? Obviously, CPU utilization will increase because burden is more, burden is increasing. It reaches to maximum 100%, reaching to maximum 100%. Simple, guys. In a team, there are two people. Manager is giving task for them daily. Ram, you do 2 tasks, you also do 2 tasks, go to home. Next day, you do task, you do also do 2 tasks, go to home. But after 1 week, the manager is giving each person 5 tasks, daily five tasks. Okay, they're working hard, they're staying for 15 hours, doing the task and going home. Again, from the next week onwards, if he's giving 20 tasks per day, can they able to do 20 tasks? Obviously, they can. Maximum 6 or 7 tasks they will do, they'll leave. What they'll say? You are giving more work for us. Can you please hire extra resources in our team, like 3 more people, so that we can distribute the work, they'll say. Otherwise, give less task. Either give less task, otherwise hire more employee. This is what they'll say. Here, we have only 100 servers, but the work is more, but the requests are more. 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore, but the servers are 100. So they are not able to, like these servers are not able to handle the capacity. It is reaching to maximum CPU utilization. What happens? Servers are crashed. If they're reaching to 100%, servers will be crashed. When the servers are crashed, if still people are accessing www.amazon.com, they're seeing this page. This site cannot be reached because backend servers are down. It is not giving you any response. If it is not sending any response, you cannot access the website. Midnight 2 o'clock, your application is down. Like you cannot access the application. Night 2 o'clock only, whether this software company owner, can he bring extra 300 servers and can he install operating system, installing softwares, deploying application? Can he do that instantly? Like going to market, bringing within 5 minutes, midnight 2 o'clock? Obviously, that is impossible. The other option is he has to call his employees. Everyone, please come to office. Like our website is down. We need to fix it as soon as possible. Will they come midnight 2 o'clock? Definitely no. They'll come next day morning, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. They'll start working on it. What they'll do, they will kill unnecessary processes. Like it is taking more RAM. They will kill that RAM. They kill that processes and they'll try to reduce CPU utilization. Even for troubleshooting, for fixing this issue, it will take at least 3-4 hours. So until next day afternoon, your website will be down. But that is not at all good, right? If popular application like Amazon website, if it is down for this many hours, people will lose trust on this website. From next time, they will not purchase anything in this because they will have trust issues. While processing a transaction of 1 lakh for buying iPhone, if the website is down, who is responsible? They will have trust issues. What they'll do, they'll go to offline, Bajaj Electronics or Chrome, they'll go and they'll buy. But they'll not believe this kind of websites if they are down. So it is very important to maintain our applications highly available 24/7. So if you have physical servers, if you run your applications in physical servers, you cannot achieve it. You cannot achieve your application running 24/7. So to address these issues, what I'm doing, I'm launching 100 servers in AWS Cloud. In AWS Cloud, I'm asking Amazon, can you give me 100 servers? Can you launch 100 servers? So they are launching 100 servers. And in all these 100 servers, I'm deploying Amazon.in application. Okay. Same scenario. Tomorrow is Great Indian Festival, 20% discount. Midnight 2 o'clock. Midnight 2 o'clock, the sale will start. I'm pretty sure these 100 servers are not at all sufficient. What I'll do, I'll ask my AWS if CPU utilization is crossing 60%, then you please launch one extra server. I'm asking AWS, please launch one server if it is crossing 60%. Because I don't know, right? I cannot watch every time. I'll come to home, I'll sleep. I don't know. The employees don't know. Like they cannot sit in front of the system all time. So you need to tell AWS, if it is crossing 60, can you please take care of it? Can you please launch one server? How many servers like that you need? It will ask. AWS will ask. You tell, like, I need maximum 1,000. For a safe side, you give a big number. Okay, sale is started. CPU utilization is gradually increasing. Like it crossed 60%. Now the CPU is 61%. immediately one instance will be launched and it will deploy the application. Now, whenever user is typing www.amazon.in, that request will go to this new server also. It will load and send the response. Along with this 100, it will also start working. Now what the burden is somewhat reduced because along with 100, one more server is came. So now it became 101. They are distributing the work. But 101 not sufficient. Why? Because again, after 5 minutes, traffic will increase. If traffic is increasing, again, AWS will launch one more instance. It is like uh, directly proportional. The traffic is increasing, number of servers will also increase. If the requests are increasing, capacity of servers will also increase. So increasing the capacity of servers we call a scale up. Let's say end of the day, 5 crore people accessed application and almost 500 servers are launched. Everyone is happy, all they purchased all the products. Next day, we don't have any Great Indian Festival. Same. Can we expect 5 crore requests on next day also, even if we don't have Great Indian Festival? No. Obviously, no. Because no offers, right? If you don't have any offers, people will not look into your application, like most of the people. But do we really need 500 servers for remaining days? Unnecessarily, we have to pay the bills, right? So what I'm doing, I'm telling to my AWS, if at all CPU utilization is less than or equal to 5%. I mean, what is the meaning of that? If any server is just simply relaxing, it is not having any work, it is taking rest, you identify those servers, you terminate that server. If at all 500 servers having less than 5, that is also a problem. It will terminate all 500. Then you cannot run your application. That's why I'm telling you maintain minimum 100 servers irrespective of CPU utilization. Means whether CPU is less or CPU is more, you maintain minimum 100 servers. This is like if your project is completed in IT company, if your project is completed, in that project almost 10 people are there. Will they give salaries for 10 people even if the project is completed? They're on bench from last 1 month. They're on bench. What they'll do after seeing 1 month, they will remove from the company. Like you are hired, like you're terminated because we don't have projects, because they have to pay salaries unnecessarily. Here also same thing. We don't have traffic. Why you are staying? Just terminate. AWS will terminate all the servers, but it will keep minimum 100. Decreasing the capacity of servers based on the traffic. This concept we call as scale down. So overall, we can say in cloud computing, we have scalable concept. That means you can increase the capacity of servers, you can decrease the capacity of servers. Whereas in physical servers, you cannot choose that. You cannot increase and decrease instantly. Okay. Now let's see the differences. Like whenever cloud computing is not there and after cloud computing, what are the changes? Earlier, we have to buy physical servers. If you want to run any application, you need to buy servers. But now you don't need to buy. You can rent them, like paying money, and you can utilize servers virtually. Keeping the peak traffic in mind, buy more servers. That means if you're planning for Great Indian Festival next month, from now onwards only you should make arrangements, bring extra 200 servers. You need to deploy application, install softwares. You need to keep the setup ready by next month. But here you don't need to take care anything. Automatically servers will scale up and scale down according to the traffic. Here it requires own team for maintenance purpose as well as monitoring purpose, because the setup is in our company. Data center setup is in our company, right? So we have to take care of maintenance and we need to monitor. But here, this setup is in remote location, somewhere in North Virginia, somewhere in London, Paris, Tokyo. So you don't need to take care of anything. They will maintain the support team. AWS support team will take care of those physical servers which are present in their location. Here, troubleshooting problems can be tedious. Like if something went wrong, you need to troubleshoot and fix the issue. That is not that much easy. But here, servers will never go down because AWS is providing service level agreement, SLA, that their servers will be never down. So these are some differences. And next, in physical data centers, like let's say there is a natural disaster, earthquake occurred in your company. Your company is in Gachibowli or somewhere. There is an earthquake. What happens? Complete building will be collapsed. The servers inside your building also destroyed. your data also destroyed. You lost your data. But here you will never lose data because your data will be kept in different locations. Even in worst case, one region is having earthquake, still your data will be safe in other regions so that you will never lose your data. Like storing your photos in Google Cloud, storing your photos in Google Drive, storing your photos in memory card. If your memory card is broken, you will lose the photos. Even if your phone is lost, still you can recover the data because the photos are in Google Drive. Here you pay whether you use it or not. Means you already invested 10 lakhs, sorry, 10 crores to buy the servers. Now, whether you're utilizing them, you're not utilizing them, you pay 10 crore. But here you pay only for the capacity, whatever you're using. How much you use, pay money for that one only. It takes a lot of time to provision the infrastructure. For setuping, it will take at least 1 week, but it is on demand immediately. Within 1 minute, you can set up the infrastructure. It is very less user friendly, not that much easy to access, but it is very user friendly, very easy to access. This setup is costly because you're purchasing everything. This setup is economical. You will get everything for reasonable prices. And here we'll see what are the different cloud vendors in the market. We have AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, GCP Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Salesforce Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Tencent Cloud, and many more. These are the some top cloud providers. Among them, AWS stands in the first place with 32% share market. This is the recent second quarter of 2023. Okay. So every year they'll release some statistics like which cloud vendor has more share in the market. Each and every year, every quarter, still till now, AWS is leading in first place. What is the use? And if AWS is in first place, they will look for more employees who have AWS skill set. People having AWS skills, technical skills, will get more opportunities because there are more vacancies. Because more projects are using AWS Cloud. And certifications, what type of certifications we have in AWS? There are 3 types basically: foundational level, associate level, professional level. This is like foundational means like nursery. This is like 10th class. This is like graduation. For this in foundational level, we have only one certification, that is cloud practitioner. To do this certification, you no need to take any training course. You can go through the YouTube tutorials and you can do self-study and crack this certification. For doing this certification, you need to book the slot in Amazon website, in AWS website. You need to book the slot for 10,000 rupees certification pricing. If you pass, then only you will get certification. Otherwise, you will not get certification. 10,000 is like non-refundable. In associate level, you have 3 types: solutions architect, sysops administrator, developer. With our course content, whatever I teach here, with that knowledge, you can crack all of these certifications at associate level. The price for associate level certifications for all these 3 is $178 US. You need to pay money in this, like they'll show the pricing in dollars only. It's approximately 15,000 rupees. They will ask 65 multiple choice questions. Out of 65, you need to attempt minimum 48 correctly. The pass percentage is 76. Then only you are certified as an AWS solutions architect or AWS sysops administrator, AWS developer. You will get certification if you get 76%. Certification is not at all mandatory. Even in interviews, 99% in interviews, they will not ask for certification. They will only look how good you are, how your performance is in the interview. If they are asking something, how well you are answering. That is only what they will see. But simply, if you tell like I am certified, you show your certification, but you are not answering some basic questions. What is the use there? There's no use, right? Even if you have certification. So that's why certification is not at all mandatory. If you do, that is well and good. It is an optional thing only. It will add weightage to your profile, but it is not mandatory. You can do later also. Once you get the job in AWS, client will pay the money for you. That $178 client will pay, that you can utilize. Before only you don't try because it's a huge amount, right? 15,000. Even if you get 47 marks correct, but no use, they will not give any certification. 15,000 is wasted, not refundable. Professional is like next level. If you want to do professional level, first you need to clear this one, associate level. To clear this solution architect, first you need to clear this. To clear this one, you need to clear this both. Okay. This is about certification details. Next, some frequently asked questions. Like some people will say, like, I don't have any coding knowledge. I don't know any coding like C, C++, Java, Python. Can I learn AWS and DevOps without coding? Means yes, you can learn, because AWS and DevOps will not have any programming languages. You no need to have knowledge on any programming languages to learn AWS and DevOps. Either your pharmacy background, MBA background, degree, BTech, any background can learn this course, and you can keep experience if you already have a gap. If your final year, BTech final year students, it will be helpful. How it will be helpful means you can keep this as your mini project and major project, and you can attend your placements, because most of the BTech students, final year students, in your resume, they'll keep C, C++, Java, because that is their subject. Nobody will keep advanced technologies like Azure, AWS, .NET, or data science. These technologies they will not keep, like Pega. These things they will not keep. If you keep some advanced technologies tools, that will be helpful for shortlisting your resume. Okay, you will be prioritized. Your resume will be prioritized if you keep some different technologies. In that way, that will be helpful for BTech final year students. And even if you don't have any technical knowledge, also by this training you can practice and you can crack the interviews. Even if you're working in a support project, non-technical side, you can learn this course and you can switch to AWS side. If you have some years of gap, 2 years gap, 3 years gap, 5 years gap, you can fill this gap with this AWS experience. As Raj told, the fee is 20,000. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask me now.
Guys, any questions you have? So all good. So if you don't
Hi,
have any
sir.
questions,
I have one question, sir. Hi, Aravind, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, sir. Actually, I need to know one thing. Like you said, like, sir, we don't need like any prior coding knowledge, like Python or any other language. So, like, instead of like coding, are we going to use like shell scripting, or like how are we
Yes.
going to manage, sir?
Here, to learn DevOps, any scripting is fine. That could be the shell scripting, that could be YAML scripting, JSON scripting. Any scripting is fine, like Groovy scripting. In our course, I'll teach you YAML scripting for Terraform as well as Ansible, and I'll teach HashiCorp language also that will be used for Terraform.
Okay, so like Python is not required. Instead of that, like we can use
Yes,
shell,
yes,
right?
yes.
But at least like a shell scripting is like mandatory, right, sir?
Scripting is mandatory, not shell scripting.
Okay,
Scripting
okay.
will be taught here, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Next. You can unmute and ask. Okay, Rajesh is asking about timings. Rajesh, the timing is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Is that clear, Rajesh? 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Classes will be starting from July 1st. That is Monday onwards. Okay, next.
yeah, actually, 1 second, I'm staying in Abu Dhabi, and if I get the flexibility in the timing, so the timings are fixed. Okay, so evening batch, not now, maybe from second on. I don't know. Okay, as of now,
Like,
Arvind is free on mornings only, so that's why we are going for mornings. So
like
how much
definitely
time?
will start. Evening
Yeah,
batch will be also there, but not immediately. Will take some
yeah,
time.
will take some time. Yes. So what I'm saying is one more thing is, uh, if you join how much ever you can join the live session. Suppose if 15-20 minutes you are unable to join last, you can watch the recording. The recording will be uploaded after the session completion. Okay. So maybe you joined at 8 o'clock. Okay, till 9:15 you have time. You join at the time 8 to 9:15. 9:15 you can leave. Remaining 15 minutes you can watch the recording. Like that you can do it. Okay, and lifetime recordings will be provided. Okay. Yes.
One quick question. Hi.
Go ahead, please. Who is this?
Hi, Raj. This is Afiq. Hi, Aravind. This is Afiq. I have a question. I saw the DevOps, and before that, which is a professional level, and another one is a developer, right? So, what are the difference? Is it we're going more in DevOps?
Yes, Ankit. So your question is like DevOps will be taught at professional level. That's what you're asking. Is it like taught at professional?
Yeah, the developer. I saw one in your previous slot, and on the professional level, it says DevOps, right? Which you'll be teaching.
In DevOps, we have different types of tools. There is no concept of developer in DevOps. In DevOps, we have tools like Git, Maven, Jenkins that you can see here. Who is sharing screen? Raj, can you share the screen for him? Okay.
Yeah, you can share the screen.
Okay.
And show the
Yes.
course content.
Yes, yes. You can go through the course curriculum here in DevOps.
Otherwise, open the PDF. There is see more here. Scroll down. Scroll down little. Close this. So I have the show more. Yes.
Yes. Here you can go to the course curriculum. We have here basics like in DevOps, we start with like DevOps methodology, waterfall methodology, agile methodology, Linux basics operating system, then GitHub, source code management, GitHub, AWS again, Jenkins, CI/CD tool Jenkins, containerization tool Docker, build tool Maven, Kubernetes, the configuration management tool Ansible. All these are like topics covered under these tools. Again in Terraform, these topics like Grafana visualization tool, Prometheus monitoring tool, like scripting with YAML for Ansible playbooks. Then they both include like AWS services here.
Very good. So you'll be teaching all these
Yes.
in details. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yes. Good morning, sir. I'm Chaitanya. Yeah, before you said that you can try with 3 years of experience, right?
Yes.
Actually, I'm passed out in 2021. I don't have any experience. I have zero experience.
Okay. What you can do means, so from 2021.
Yeah, I passed out in 21.
Okay. Is it completed, shall I?
Yeah, still now I don't have any experience.
Okay. So from 2021 to till date.
Yeah, till date I don't have any experience. So if I can provide in my resume 3 years of experience, definitely they will ask in the interview where you before worked, right?
Yes.
So how that I manage that one? I have that confusion.
So you have to take experience that you can call as who is this?
Yeah, I'm
Chaitanya,
checking
right?
it.
Chaitanya,
Yes,
can
yes.
you ping your number?
Yeah, actually
You
SMS.
ping already?
Yeah, I
in
did.
the Zoom chat?
Yeah.
So please WhatsApp us on this number, okay, or please call to this number, okay. So these
Okay,
any
sir.
numbers. So we will guide you what to do. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank
You
you,
have to
sir.
try with experience. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that I will tell you in offline. Okay.
People
Okay,
who
thank
have
you.
same doubt, whoever
Yeah.
having the same doubt can call to this number and check with Raj. He will
Yeah,
explain
we'll guide you.
personally.
Yes, we'll guide you and we'll tell you what to do. We'll help you in all the things. No need to worry.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions, guys? So all good, everyone. We'll share the PDF in the group. In WhatsApp group, we'll share the PDF. So I hope everyone are clear
Yeah,
your doubts.
this is Deepak here.
Go ahead.
Just a question, is this 2 months course is enough to crack a job after that? How the process is?
It's not about 2 months. Like we said, like 45 working days. 45 working days means it's almost like 2 months, 10 days will be like overall, including Saturdays and Sundays. It
Yeah,
depends on your practice as well. See,
yeah,
if I
correct.
take 6 months, will you get job guarantee means, it depends on your practice.
Right,
Okay.
right. Okay. Yeah. So thanks, Aravind.
Thank
But
you.
whatever Aravind is taking the training, that is more than enough to what you can manage the job in your real
And
time
crack
for
me.
3+ or 4+. Crack the interview and manage the job. You can easily without any job support.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you'll get a job, if you crack a job, and in the real time, if you face any issues like on technical part or something, we'll be getting
You
some
can
help.
always WhatsApp us. Okay. It's not like we cannot provide any direct job support, but we'll always help you. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Aravind.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely will help you.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes. And as you told, the batch is going to start from Monday, that is July 1st. Like Saturday and Sunday, like between 2 days only is there. So you need to decide, like if you are like interested, don't miss the classes from 1st of Monday.
Okay. Yeah.
Any other questions?
Guys,
So let's not waste
don't
time.
feel shy. Ask whatever you have.
Yeah, whatever the question you have, please ask. Yeah.
will be done every day, right? Not for Saturday, Sunday, na?
Monday to Friday classes.
Monday to Friday. Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? So please note down these
Uh,
numbers. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, Raj. I work on shifts, and that is in APAC and EMEA. Currently, my EMEA shift is going on. That is 2 to 11, and in APAC hours is like 6 to 3 morning, and that is every shift goes for 2 weeks. So in EMEA, I can able to join for 2 weeks. Then when APAC comes, I may miss some classes if I.
Yeah. You can watch the recordings. Recordings will be lifetime.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You can watch the recordings. Okay. Whenever you miss a
Mm.
session, you try to
Mm-hmm.
join the session. If you don't have time, okay. So you
Yeah.
can always record. And about the projects. So Arvind, how many projects will be covered?
Total 5, both AWS as well as DevOps.
So AWS plus DevOps, total 5 real-time projects will be covered. You need to implement them. Arvind will guide you to implement them. Okay.
Okay.
So
And
total 5. Yeah.
whatever the projects and the like lab work and all, we can do it everything on our laptop, right?
Yes.
Okay.
First of all, I'll show you practically. I'll implement
Mm.
them. I'll show you and I'll guide you how to do.
Yeah. I have created the AWS account long back, but I'm not utilizing it because I was not aware of the things.
You check once
Uh,
again.
and the time constraints with my shifts and all. That's what happening with me. Yeah.
We'll guide you everything, Deepak. Okay.
Yeah,
So
Raj.
how to set up the AWS account? Okay.
Yeah.
How to work with the lab
And
sessions?
it
Yeah.
will be like real time work according to that we'll be learning, right? Like
Yes. Exactly. Yes.
yeah.
He is working. He is a software engineer. He is working as a team lead now.
Uh,
He is having almost 9 years experience he has. So he will be
Great.
always teaching the real-time concepts only.
And Arvind is there in Hyderabad, working there?
Yes,
Or
in Hyderabad.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, got it. No, I was working as a Unix administrator, both
Okay.
Linux and Solaris. I
Okay.
have more 13 plus of experience.
Mhm.
In my environment, Microsoft Azure is introduced already, and the
Okay.
servers are migrated to Azure. And currently, you're working with Azure, and we are just in learning stage, working on that and
Yeah.
Azure. So that's what I asked. How was the market in India? More in Azure or in AWS? How it is will be going
Always
through.
AWS. AWS.
All okay.
Yes.
So market
Hello.
is good in Hyderabad now for jobs and all.
Arvind, go ahead.
It's not only
Just asking. Don't think silly. Yeah.
it's not like Hyderabad. All over India wise, the market is good. It depends on
Good.
how good you prepare your resume.
Right.
Based on resume, you will get the calls. Okay.
And Arvind, if I having 13, 14 years of experience in this Unix platform, and if I'll be like trying job in AWS now, and how much experience I can put on that my experience part, how much and to get a good package from the current package, how can get a good high means what percentage of hike you will be expecting to plan.
Fine. So
Hello,
if
Arvind sir.
okay, let me answer first to him.
Okay.
Your experience is like 13 years or 14 years. Maximum 4 years only you can keep on AWS. And
Four,
DevOps.
4 years in
The
AWS.
reason,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
even if you keep like more experience on
Yeah, go
AWS and
ahead,
DevOps,
Arvind.
am I audible?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes.
How many
Yes,
years of
Arvind, go ahead,
experience
please.
I am talking? So even though you have 10 plus years of experience, you need to keep maximum 4 years only on AWS and DevOps. If you
Okay, that's
more
what I
than
want to know. Yeah.
okay, next.
Okay.
Arvind sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Only for AWS has been continue or has been some concept about the Azure also?
No, this is purely AWS. Azure Cloud is a different course.
Yeah.
And
Some
Arvind,
basic concept
and
also
that
has been explained on that.
I
sorry.
didn't.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
And some Azure related some basic concept has been explained on that, or only for us to continue purely on AWS?
See, this is not a Azure course. It is purely AWS. We'll be teaching here only AWS. Azure is a separate course. Okay.
Means in AWS has been all parts has been covered, or that means has been migration part, all has been cost optimization and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
I have shown you, right? Everything, the course content, like whatever we kept in course content, everything will be covered.
Yes, everything
Okay.
AWS from basics to advanced. If you see, there are many concepts in AWS. Okay. You see
Yeah.
here, there are many concepts. It's complete knowledge you will get it from end
Okay.
to end. Okay. So
I
these are
also
all AWS only.
Okay, I also wanted to ask you one thing. I have 12 years of experience in non-technical, but in IT only. So I used to observe there is our technical team used to handle tasks like server backup and migration activities and DRDC drills. So I don't have knowledge about, but I listen these terminologies. So did I get do I get knowledge in this course? Did I experience of how to take server backup and migration, switching in DR rules. Hello?
Yes, Archana. We'll show you everything practically, whatever you asked. You can perform those activities in your project.
Okay. Okay. See.
Any other questions, please? So all good, guys. So fine. So if you don't have any questions, please go ahead if you have any questions. Otherwise, you can always call to these numbers or provide your, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Arvind, you just said we can max put 4 years experience into the current experience we have. In the max 4 years experience, how much hike we can expect on the next switch or something?
It purely depends on your current package. See, if your experience is like 12 years, you're already holding some 40 lakhs, let's say you're already holding 40 lakhs package, then you cannot ask 100% 80 lakh. It's very highly impossible. If you have a 20 lakh package, you can ask 100% hike. Okay, it always depends on your current package only.
Okay. So we can, if you're having 20 lakhs of package, we can ask for 100% hike.
Yeah, because according to market standards, for 13 years experience guy, like they're paying 40, 45. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thanks, Arvind. Yeah, got your
Okay.
point.
Sure. Yes, Maurya, you have something?
Hi, sir. Good morning. Thank you so much for the demo class. Actually, sir, I had like a very small question. Every day, on an average, how much time ideally should one spend in order to be quite good at the subject, apart from the class time itself? Yeah.
That's a good question. So it depends on your focus, like how well you are understanding in the class, but minimum 1 hour is required. Minimum 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure. So,
if you have time,
if
you have time,
yes, sir.
Practice 1 hour. If you have 5 hours time, practice 5 hours. So Aravind said minimum 1 hour, at least 1 hour you need to practice. If you have time, then practice 5 hours. It will always be good. You will be always become expert. Yeah.
Sure, sir. And just a very small follow-up question, sir. The assignment that you give, will that be discussed on the following day? Will the solution be discussed on the next day, or
Solution? Say whatever assignments I give, the solutions will be explained the same day only. Like I'll show you practically today. I'll show you the solution, and I'll ask you to do similar kind of thing for you. Similar kind of thing I'll ask you to do. Okay.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hello.
Yes, Sanjini.
Small question, sir. What is the difference between Snowflake and AWS?
See, Snowflake is a ETL tool, okay, and AWS is a cloud tool, okay. So in AWS also we have ETL, again a different story, but AWS is used to store the data, cloud storage. Actually, there are many services are there, but Snowflake is a ETL tool. There is no comparison between AWS and ETL. Snowflake. Yeah, got it.
Both are different concepts.
Both are different. Yes. So you can learn AWS plus Snowflake if you want.
I want to confuse between and choose.
That's what. Okay. See, Snowflake is a ETL. Okay. You learn ETL separately, and people are asking a cloud, any cloud tool like nowadays everyone are asking AWS, Azure, or GCP. You can learn AWS alone. Okay. So it's AWS alone is just 12,000. You can learn that also.
Without DevOps.
Yeah. Okay. You call us, okay, Anjali. Okay, we'll explain you better. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, any other questions, guys? Any other questions, please? So, please speak up if you have any questions. So, all good, guys. Fine then. Okay.
As of fine, yeah, Raj. And
yeah. Okay. Thank you all. So, thanks for joining today's session. So, as I told you, so July 1st is a batch starting date. Okay. So, you can call to these numbers and enroll for the course. Okay. The classes are starting from July 1st. Okay. So, before winding up, okay, please subscribe my channel, Raj Informatica. So, in this, okay, we have many Informatica, Python, Snowflake, AWS, Tableau, Oracle, Unix videos are available. Okay, there are many useful videos are available. You can please subscribe this channel, and so please browse my. We'll send you the recording. We'll send you the recording. Okay, please browse rajinformatica.com. We have started Informatica, Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, Python, AWS DevOps, Tableau, and we are starting Salesforce, Azure, and generative AI, Chat GPT. There are many courses coming up, so please browse this website. And for the course content, I am sending the course content in this chart, or please WhatsApp us for the course content. Okay. Anyway, I am sending the course content also here. Yes, please. Just a second. 1 second, please. So, or please provide your numbers. Anyway, if you are already there in DevOps WhatsApp group, I already shared there. So, anyways, I am sharing again to you. Okay. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. See you. Have a good day. Thanks, guys.